Hello and welcome to Adirondack Astronomy. So currently I have M17, the Omega Nebula, or the Swan Nebula, in the constellation Sagittarius. So let's have a quick look at where that is in the sky, and then we'll get on with the sketch. M17, also known as either the Omega Nebula or the Swan Nebula, can be found in the constellation Sagittarius with a magnitude of 6. M17 is around 5,000 light-years away from Earth, with a diameter of 15 light-years, and the cloud of interstellar dust of which this nebula is part of spans roughly 40 light-years in diameter. The glow of the hydrogen gas in the Omega Nebula is given off by one of the youngest star clusters, NGC 6618, at around 1 million years old, but the nebula obstructs the view of most of the stars in the cluster. Similar to the Orion Nebula, this nebula is home of a star-forming region. Alright, let's get on with the sketch. So here we are with the black paper and the white charcoal pencil, and I go around the field of view and I just mark off some of the stars. And for this region being in an area that's got a lot of stars in it, the Milky Way band, this field of view wasn't overly saturated with stars. So then off to the side I used a white pastel pencil to get some dust off the pencil, and then I used my smudge brush to place the nebula itself. The eastern side of the nebula is relatively flat, and then towards the northern side it's kind of got this little swoop upward, kind of like a check mark, which is where it seems to get its name, Checkmark Nebula or Swan Nebula. Then I went through with the kneaded eraser and I got rid of some of the brightness of the stars just to kind of dim that some, and that's about it for the sketch. So let's check out the final version. So here we have the final image after I brought it into GIMP, and I did a little bit of adjustment to the image after I took the photo. Then I created the eyepiece view. I put in the north and west on there so that we knew which way this is facing. This was done at 12:30 to 12:59 Eastern Daylight Time, so it was really early morning of June 16th. And something different with this is, after marking out the stars, I used the Orion Ultrablock filter to kind of bring out the nebula because of the light pollution at my house. So that helped really kind of bring out some of the details that I couldn't see without it. Well, anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please click the like button, and if you like this content, be sure to subscribe and click the bell notification so you're notified when I post new videos. Thank you very much for watching. Clear skies.